Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tin tomato stew. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth cooking process. You'll need canned tomatoes, fresh aromatics like onion, bell peppers, and garlic, plus essential seasonings. Having everything prepped makes the stew come together effortlessly. This simple list ensures you are well equipped to create a delicious meal. Now let's get those ingredients prepped. Start by finely chopping your onion and bell peppers. Consistency is key for even cooking. Next, mince your garlic to release its aromatic oils. Finally, open your canned tomatoes. You'll use a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and a 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes, which you can drain if you prefer a thicker stew. These steps lay the foundation for a flavorful dish. It's time to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onions and bell peppers, sautéing them until they are soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, stir in the minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute until it's fragrant. Finally, add both cans of tomatoes, 1/2 cup of water, and your seasonings. Bring it to a gentle simmer and let it cook for at least 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Your tin tomato stew is ready. Serve it warm with your favorite sides like fluffy rice, al dente pasta, or a slice of crusty bread to soak up all that rich sauce. If you have any leftovers, they taste even better the next day. Just store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. And speaking of keeping things tidy, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum to help with cleanup. It's a game changer for maintaining a spotless home. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.